Hi, welcome back to CFISD 360. Today we come to you from the Mark Henry Administration Building where the Superintendent Student Leadership Committee meeting is being held. These high school students are carefully chosen after applying and submitting their letters of recommendation to serve as ambassadors of CFISD.
I was excited to be a part of this group because I thought that I could help make a change or an impact in the district. We've talked a lot about the different jobs in the district, had feedback on the calendar.
I'm excited that we have this type of student government right now where we can relay our opinions, our concerns directly to district administration. And the ability to do that just empowers more and more people to understand that they have a voice even though they are just in their youth.
On February 22nd, the Brazos Valley TSA Regional Leadership Competition was held at the CFISD Exhibit Center.
It's a student-led organization, so the students are putting everything out, they built everything, and they're showing off what they did this year.
This is my 1991 Miata. I blew the motor last year while driving home from school, so I rebuilt the motor. To maximize performance, I did complete forged internals, E85, a new intake, coilovers, and wheels.
The amount of hours we put in, the staying after school, the hanging out. And I mean, not only did it help us grow just in the process, we also grow as a group.
Time now to go beyond the score with CFISD sports.
Thanks, Chris. 13 CFISD athletes competed in swimming and diving at the state championship meet in Austin. Sophia Looper from Cypress High School made the medal podium in her two events along with the Cypress girls team, finishing 6th.
I got silver in 100 free and bronze in 2 IM, so that was really exciting because I didn't really expect to medal in both of them.
Being able to get to that level and perform and represent our district and our school and that BF&D culture was really important to us.
The UIL 5A and 6A State Wrestling Championships were held February 16th through 17th at the Berry Center, where hundreds of athletes from across the state competed. Several CFISD athletes medaled, showcasing their hard work and dedication. One of them was Viviana Barbosa, who placed 3rd in her weight class.
I'm a senior and I never even made it past districts until this year, my senior year, and it was so surreal.
Cypress Springs and Cypress Lakes ended their amazing seasons in the regional semifinal round.
It felt great knowing that we were able to get past the first round and then make it 4 deep. I think me and my team were pretty excited. I'm very thankful for my coach, Coach Samuels, and my mom, who's also my assistant coach.
That does it for this edition of CFISD 360. Thank you for joining us as we show how CFISD is bringing out the best.